Hello everyone. Next we are going to make a hen, starting by making the body structure of the hen. We're gonna move ahead towards his face, starting by making the eyes and the beak. We're gonna make the wings as well, and when it's ready we're gonna make the feathers which are at the back, and then we're gonna make the legs also. After they are done, we're gonna start coloring it by using yellow colored sketch pen and orange color sketch pen. You can use any colored pen as you want. Here we have used variety of colors for coloring it, and it's ready. Next we are going to move ahead. Here we are making an ant by using brown colored sketch pen and making some figures for the body, and then adding details like eyes, ears and hands. When it's ready, you can see it is looking so good and cool. At last you can also add some patterns to the body as you want. Next, we are going to learn how to make a perfect bird using the numbers 2, starting by making the numbers 2 times and making the body of this bird. We're gonna complete it by making the eyes and the beak, and similarly we're gonna make another bird. After that, we're gonna make the branch on which they are sitting. After it's ready, you can color it as per your choice, and they look so good. Next, we are going to make a baby tiger, starting by making his round face. We're going to make the body structure. Then we are going to complete the eyes, mouth and mustache. Then we are going to make the mini ears at the top. After that, adding some stripe to the body and the face also. After it's done, we are going to make the toes and the long legs as well. When it is completed, we are going to color it by using yellow colored pen. You can use any kind of pen. Here we have used yellow pencil color, and when you can see it is completed, it looks so good and cool. You can even add some more detailings to it if you want, so that it could look more good and attractive. We're gonna use red color also for giving some blush effect to his cheeks, and it's ready.